What is up, you guys? It's your boy Chris, aka the Metal Vlogger here, heading to day 2 of Furnace Fest. Super stoked. It's gonna be a wild day, man. Very wild day. This is my favorite day out of all 3 by far. So many good bands. I'm really looking forward to seeing that Counterpart set. So yeah, that's gonna be crazy, man. But I'm heading to the festival, so I'll catch up with you guys when I get there. Got me some seafood, some crawfish nachos. It was so good yesterday, I had to get another one. Alrighty, guys, fit check for the day. I haven't really got up with you guys too much besides videos of bands. It's just really loud here, man. You know, it's hard to vlog whenever it's super loud here. But I'm having a great time. All the bands have been phenomenal still. hate is the food. It's a bit overpriced, I think, dude. Like $20 for a fucking goddamn burger. I mean, that's horrible. But yeah, I'm enjoying myself out here. Hope you guys have enjoyed the clips and all the videos of bands. I know there's not as much, like, you know, videoing of myself and the Furnace Fest vlogs, but it's all about the music, man, and I feel like that's probably what you guys care about. So I'll keep taking videos, and hope you guys are enjoying it so far, man. I'll catch back with you guys in a little bit. Alrighty guys, I forgot to close out last night's video at Furnace Fest. Was such a great time. All the bands were fantastic. I know it seemed like I've said that every day so far, but it's true. They're all amazing. So stoked for day 3. I think this is the most stacked day in my opinion. And yeah, I'm super excited for all the bands there today. Yesterday was super good. Counterparts played very good. You know, just an amazing day. But all right, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog, guys. Super sorry for forgetting to end it last night. I was super tired, but yeah, catch me in the next video, day 3. Let's get it. I already know my baby got all the album covers up here. The poor Knocked Loose one's looking a little rough, man, but people take this one a little too serious. That's a joke, guys. Come on. Alright, guys. These are all the clothes, or most of the clothes that I got at Furnace Fest. The ones I could fit on the bed. The Red Chord, New Found Glory, Norma Jean, a couple CDs, and a Furnace Fest beer. Counterparts, Casey Strain, Dying Wish shorts, and a shirt. but I can't see the design. There it is. Little Dying Wish design down there. Mastodon shirt. Some smaller companies shirt. Look at all this Spirit box. Pretty good little setup, guys. Alright guys, me in the future, I just wanted to go ahead and show you the merch I got and the collector cards. This one's for the collector cards. It'll be a separate video for the merch. I'll lay it on my bed. And then these are the cards that I got that were last year's. I got 2 of those. A few left standing. Boys Set Fire. Showbread, Converge, Stretch Armstrong. And then these are this year's. We've got American Nightmare, 68, The Red Chord, Dead to Fall, Piebald, Malin, and the Sons of Disaster, or Malin, whatever. Across 5 Aprils, Get the Shot, The Ghost Inside, Koyo, Life in Your Way, and then Advent. So yeah, those are all the cards I picked up this year.